Hello there and welcome back. Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways to grow your business. 3 ways to grow your business. Interesting. There's many ways, but these are the ones I like. Number 1, be clear on the next step. Make sure that you know what it is you're going to do tomorrow. And in order to do so, you need to have the big idea of what you're aiming and then the steps that need to be done. Do the work beforehand. You want to grow your business? One of the best ways is to be clear on the next steps. Number 2, create habits of actions that move the needle. What do I mean by that? Create a list of all the income producing activities, for example, and then as you have those activities, make habits of doing those activities. Meaning, the more you do them, the easier they get for you to do. It's not that the task is easier, but your ability to do it has increased. Therefore, you spend less time and energy. So the more you create habits of the actions that move the needle in your business, the more the business grows and the more time you can have free to take vacations, be with your family, friends, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Number 3, my favorite one. Leave everyone you meet with the impression of increase. That means that whenever you do something, others are edified, uplifted, or learn something valuable from that. That's what my channel is all about. How to become more for self, for others. If I can help anybody get better, I'm elevating your life. And so by doing so, you're going to elevate the lives of the people around you. Leaving everyone with the impression of increase is wonderful. And it brings referrals. That's what it does. People are happy to be with you because they know that you're heart-centered and service-driven and you have their best interests at heart. By doing so, they want to do business with you and refer others to do so. So there you have it. Out of the multitude, 3 ways to grow your business. Number 1, be clear on the next step. Number 2, create habits of the actions that move the needle. And number 3, leave everyone with the impression of increase. And by doing so, your business will grow and so will the people around you. So you got it. There you go. If you haven't already done so, it's time to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you can be notified every time a new video comes out. And also give it a thumbs up so more people can be touched by how the ways to grow the business can help them as well. And also share with your friends so they too can benefit from this great knowledge. Make it a reality. Be clear on your next step. Create habits of the actions that move the needle and leave everyone with the impression of increase are 3 surefire ways for you to grow your business. Not only listen to it, but apply them and reap the rewards. If now is the time that you feel that, maybe I need to have some clarity on the next step that I need to take, well, book a call with me. Or you're not sure which habits you should create for the actions that you need to move the needle forward. Let's have a chat and find out what it is. And for leaving the impression of increase to everybody around, let's get on a chat. And so we both will be edified by the communication that we have. As I said, the link is in the description below. Click it, set a time that's convenient for you, and let's make things happen in your life as well. Looking forward to it. And until that time, make it a great day.